Hello student, this is Ambrose, your chemistry master. So in this session you are going to learn zone refining process. First let me explain the principle. Zone refining is based on the principle of fractional crystallization. First you need to write this. It is based on the principle of fractional crystallization. When the impure metal is melted and allowed to solidify, the impurities will prefer to be in molten region. So this is main principle. When an impure metal is heated and allowed to solidify, the impurities will prefer to remain in the molten region. Then let us move on to the working. So that is, the impurities are more soluble in the melt than in the solid state metal. The impurities are more soluble in the melt than in the solid state metal. Let us move on to the working condition of zone refining process. So in this process, the impure metal is taken in the form of rod. Look at the diagram, you can understand. The green color bordered diagram is nothing but the impure metal, impure crude metal, which is in the form of rod. At the one end of this impure metal rod, you fix a mobile induction heater which can move longitudinally from one end to other end. Take a crude metal in the form of rod and fix a mobile induction heater. If you use mobile induction heater to heat this rod, it will melt the metal on the portion of the rod. It will melt the metal on the portion where the mobile induction heater is present. When the heater is slowly moved to other end, the pure metal crystallizes. This is a pure metal. If you move the induction heater from one end to other, the pure metal solidifies or pure metal crystallizes, while the impurities will move to the adjacent molten zone. The impurities will move to the adjacent molten zone formed due to the movement of heater. As the heater moves further away, the molten zone containing impurities also moves along with it. As the heater moves further away, the molten zone containing impurities also moves along with it. And this process is repeated several times by moving the heater in the same direction again and again longitudinally to achieve the desired purity of metal. Can you understand what I say? This process is repeated again and again by moving the circular heater longitudinally in the same direction to achieve the desired purity of metal. And this zone refining is carried out in an inert gas atmosphere. Zone refining process is carried out in an inert gas atmosphere to prevent oxidation of metal. So pure metal solidifies, no, that may get oxidized. To avoid oxidation of the metal, so we are carrying out the zone refining process in the inert gas atmosphere. Can you understand? And what are the elements can be refined by this method? The elements which are all used as a semiconductor can be refined by this method. What are those elements? So germanium, silicon, gallium, which are used as semiconductor, and these elements or these metals are refined by zone refining process. Can you understand what I say? So that's all, student. So you have learned zone refining process. So you need to write first the principle and working and the inert gas atmosphere, and you also need to write what are the metals purified by this method. If you like this video, write your comments and subscribe it, share to your friends and relatives. Thank you very much.